welcome again to my channel. It's Anna Marie here. So today's video, I'm gonna show you this look. This is bold, intense eyeshadow look. So please stay tuned, keep on watching. Disclaimer, I'm not a professional makeup artist. I just wanna share my experience, how I do it for myself. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, I'm gonna do the primer by Catrice 10-in-1 Sensational Primer. I'm gonna put it on my face, all over my face. I'm gonna use my beauty sponge and just spreading it all over. Next, I'm gonna go ahead with my eyes. I'm gonna use this MAC Pro Longwear Concealer. Instead of doing the eye primer, I'm going to use this concealer. And I'm just gonna conceal my eye with my small beauty sponge. And I'm gonna go ahead with my foundation. I'm gonna use this Fit Me Maybelline Matte Plus Poreless Normal to Oily Skin with Clay, and in the shade of Natural Beige 220. So I'm gonna go ahead. And next, I'm gonna use this eyeliner just to smudge on my crease, just roughly, because I'm gonna use now this pencil brush and just smudging it as I do. And I'm gonna go ahead to use this black at the top of that eyeliner, putting that black eyeshadow in there. Yes, just like that, smudging it again with pencil. And now I'm gonna dip my finger there with this beautiful glittery deep green and put it at the top of that black eyeshadow that I have put on my crease, and just tapping it. So beautiful, I love it, so simple. And now going this with a dark brown and putting at the top of my crease, just very little with a small smudge brush, just to soften the top of my crease and under eye as well, and putting the black eyeliner on my waterline. And the last was putting highlighter at the inner corner of my eye. That's pretty much it. And for my lips, I'm gonna use this lip pencil by MAC in the shade of Burgundy. So I'm gonna go ahead and use it as a lip liner, and then after that I'm gonna use my lipstick, was a gift for me by a special friend. So this is the Burgundy MAC lipstick, and I love it so much. So intense the color. And doing my eyelashes as well, just very simple because I have already an intense eyeshadow. That's it for today. Hope you like my video, how I do and achieve this intense look of eyeshadow. If you haven't yet subscribed, please consider subscribing. Comment down below and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I have a new upload. So thank you, family and friends, for always supporting me. I appreciate you all. God bless, and till the next one. Bye!